Bad habits are like a termite, which make us hollow from inside, and we will never know. Do you get angry with yourself when you eat burger or sweet? When you are on dieting? Have you ever promised yourself that you will stop doing all those bad habits, which is not good for you? Many times your time to change your bad habit, but after a few days you stop trying. Yes, adding new habit is easy, but to lose old habit is very hard, and when it is our bad habit, it looks impossible to lose. Ever you thought that why did this happen? What are the causes which stop us from removing bad habits from our life? So in this video, first we will know about the causes and then know about the 12 actions to change our brain to break bad habits. So what are the causes? Why do we not lose bad habit? There is three reasons. First is when we want to lose some bad habit, we have to accept that those habits are bad. Externally, we accept the habit are bad, but from inside, we never accept that it is bad. In other words, our reasoning brain accept it, but our emotional brain never accept it because emotions need satisfaction, and our bad habit give us satisfaction. Like if we have a cigarette addiction, and when we have a summon of it, and we have it, we get satisfaction not matter what its consequences on our life, and all we need is a moment of satisfaction. So first accept bad habit as bad from the inside. The second reason is the communication gap between our automatic and conscious brain. The automatic brain is where your self-destructive behavior comes from. We have all biased and assumption in this. The conscious brain, on the other hand, is responsible for thinking things through carefully, such as making decisions. The conscious brain takes care of that. So when there is a communication gap between these two brains, our automatic brain becomes stronger. It started doing arbitration because it directly connected to our emotion and satisfaction. So to fulfill our satisfaction, we became the slave of our automatic brain. The third one is we are hooked up by addiction. When you get addicted to something, you do not have any self-control. Either you become addicted to something or behave in a certain way. Bad habits include eating too much or too little, shopping without thinking, and having unsafe sex. So these are the three causes why do we not lose bad habit in our life. Now we come to the point from where we have to discuss the 12 actions to change our brain to break bad habit. The 12 actions are following. First is, as mentioned earlier, you have to accept that you are addicted. Break the illusion that you are in control and can let go at any time. If you keep telling yourself this over and over again, you will never really be able to leave him. The second is, take it one day at a time. Repeat it and trust your purpose. Say to yourself, do not do any self-destructive work today. It is not a big goal. Anyone can do it. The third is, accept that there will be hard day ahead. Prepare yourself for this time. Keep thinking about how great it would be if you do not go back to your old ways. The fourth is, go back to your morals. Admit that your self-destructive behavior has causes to be terrible things. Yes, it happened because of your addiction. The fifth is, apology to those whom you harmed in any way. It is related to fourth step and it will help you to become a better person. The sixth is, share your time with them in return. For one, be a companion to an old person or clean up the local breaches. Doing good thing will make you feel good. The seven is, practice mindful activities. Mindful means become conscious of your reaction and behavior. When you are mindful of yourself, you can see what are you doing wrong. The eighth is, repeat the thought, you can fake it until you make it, over and over again. Large and well-known group like Alcoholic Anonymous follow this thought. If you just start out, keep attending meeting, keep repeating the motivational line and keep this flow of yours. As you keep doing it again and again, it will become a part of your daily routine. The ninth is, if you do not have a support group, find a friend. A friend is someone you can tell everything to during your recovery. They will listen to you without any judgment. but they will also tell you the truth, no matter how bitter it is. The 10th is, if you do not have any friend, then keep a diary with you. Write your experience every day in it or make your video. Express your feeling. The 11th is, focus on your short-term goal, but also remember your long-term goal. Although you will not find it very difficult to do little by little every day, but it is also important to keep an eye on your long term. Slowly your brain will mold itself in such a way that it will not be depend on any intoxic or bad behavior. Lastly, the 12th is, keep practicing. The most important thing is to repeat it again and again. Bad habit had made connection with your brain. Practice good habit every day and repeat them over and over again to make new connection stronger and faster. So these are 12 tips and action which you can apply to eliminate the bad habit from your life. Thank you and best of luck. If this video added some value in your life, then please subscribe my channel and comment also.